With more than 100 boreholes drilled and over 9 years capturing groundwater in Rwanda, through UHIRA, Water Access Rwanda is proud to maintain and exceed customer expectations. Through our variety of drilling tools, we are able to deliver boreholes at affordable costs that meet our clients' needs, timelines and budgets. Our focus is in flowing water, so we take time to study your plot and make the best scientific decision on where to drill, with a 93% accuracy rate.
If someone wants to own their own well, which will last them a lifetime with no monthly bill and limited access of water, we can make that possible through UHIRA.
Tugerageza kuhira mu gihe cy'izuba ko ntago imvura ihora igwa.
Igihe cyose dushakiye amazi turayabona, ntazarashishe, imyaka iratohagira kandi ari ku mpeshyi.
Ni amazi ahoraho, dushobora kuyakoresha n'imyaka n'imyaka.
We provide installments and allow payment in a long period.
UHIRA empowers you to harness the hidden power beneath your feet. Perfect for farms, schools, health facilities and other institutions. UHIRA addresses the critical need for clean and reliable water. Drilling failures can be costly. Make sure you choose the best.